Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Home Group Realty. Welcome to 95 Porter Court in Guelph. Located on this quiet court in the Westminster Woods neighborhood, this home backs onto the Westminster Woods Park and is located just a few steps from the community trail system. It features a large premium lot, 2-car garage, double driveway, and a beautiful spacious floor plan with a finished basement. Let's go take a look inside. As you walk in the front door, you will immediately appreciate how bright and inviting this home is. The foyer is accessed by both the front and garage doors and leads to the conveniently located main floor powder room. As you step up to the main living level, you will notice an abundance of natural light that pours into this home. The kitchen features a large island with a sit-up bar, stainless steel appliances, plenty of cabinetry, and a functional layout that allows plenty of space for cooking and entertaining. You will enjoy the beautiful park views while eating at the dining table. And you'll appreciate the open concept living room, which offers a built-in electric fireplace and beautiful hardwood flooring. As we head up a few stairs, a large family room awaits. This is the perfect room for your large furniture to keep you comfy during those family movie nights. Even with your largest furniture set, there's still enough room for the kids to have fun and play. And as a bonus, your kids will absolutely love the low-head playroom. This is the perfect place for them to have fun and let their imaginations run wild. The upper level of this home offers a 4-piece bathroom and 3 spacious bedrooms, including a beautiful master suite that overlooks Westminster Woods Park. It features large his and hers closets, as well as a 3-piece ensuite washroom. The second and third bedrooms are quite large as well and offer plenty of space for the kids. Now, as we make our way down to the basement, you'll surely be impressed with the amount of finished living space this home offers. The rec room provides plenty of space for an additional family room and extra room for a home office desk. There's also a 4th bedroom to host guests or to use as a dedicated office space. The laundry and utility room also has plenty of extra storage space and a washroom rough-in with a dedicated door should the new owner want to add a basement bathroom. Heading back outside, you'll truly appreciate the value of this location and the fully fenced backyard with views overlooking the park. The top tier of the deck features a gazebo and the perfect amount of space for outdoor dinners and entertaining. And you could kick back and watch your kids run around and play in the park, which is accessed by the back gate. This yard also offers plenty of extra green space and a lower deck that's perfect for storage or an extra play area for the kids. As you can see, this home has so much to offer both inside and out. And the south end location is absolutely amazing. You're just a few minutes drive to the highway and all the south end amenities. And the home will not disappoint. For the most part, it's been freshly painted and it's truly move-in ready. Please give me a call today for your own private viewing. I look forward to hearing from you.